Hello art friends, welcome back. This is Lady Draws a Lot and I am an illustrator and a comic book artist, and I am here today for a very special unboxing, using, and review of the March edition of Art Snacks. What makes this so special, you ask? I'm so glad you asked. Okay, so on the very day that this Art Snacks came in my mailbox, something else came into my mailbox. And that was this purse. Okay, you see it's like clearly amazing already, right? Hang on, it gets better. It lights up. Oh my gosh, to say that I am excited about this purse is like a clear understatement. I am ecstatic. So I figured that I would take this opportunity and this clear sign, these two coming into my mailbox on the same day, that this Art Snacks box should be Star Wars themed. So if you're at all familiar with my illustration work, you'll know that I'm no stranger to Star Wars themes. I'll put a couple of my works here on the screen, sort of show you what I mean. Anyway, I thought it'd be kind of fun. You know, I still have no idea what's in this Art Snacks, but the world of Star Wars is so vast and diverse, and you have so many different things you could draw from the universe of Star Wars that I figure whatever happens to come in this box, I'm sure that I can make a character or a ship or what have you. I don't know. I still don't know what we're making here. I just know that it's going to be Star Wars themed, which I'm really excited about, and I hope you like this sort of little slight deviation in my normal unboxing, using, review sort of videos. So I hope you enjoy this. I'm excited. I think you're excited. Let's get excited and get creative, why don't we? Okay, so here we have everything, all the supplies that came in the March Art Snacks box. So we'll start with talking about this Pentel Arts Dual Mechanic Brush Pen. So this is a ink and metallic pen. It says it works on both light and dark papers. And so you're supposed to get sort of a different kind of hue and look based on the angle that you use this pen. I've not used anything like this before yet, so I'm excited to see how this looks while using it. The next thing we have is the Uniball Signo Gel Impact Pen. And this is waterproof, and this says it stands out on both light and dark papers as well. So I'm noticing a theme with this box is that all of these things can be used on white or dark papers. Pretty cool. Okay. Now these two are the same. They just come in white and blue. And this is the Karin Pigment DecoBrush markers. And these are paint markers that apparently you don't have to like shake. Well, it does say to shake, but you don't have to like prime the tip like you do on a lot of paint markers. I hope you know what I mean by that, but these apparently you just kind of shake and go. And then we have the Sakura Jelly Roll Pen in Moonlight, I think is the color here. I have used this Jelly Roll Pen in the color white, and that's worked well. So I'm excited to try another shade. All right, guys. Well, that is what we have in the box. Let me get my art set up here. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so the paper I've decided to go with today is the toned watercolor paper that I've gotten in a previous sketch box. This is 4x6 in size, 40 pound. And the reason I'm going with this one is it's a watercolor paper, but the grit on it is very fine. So I think it will accept these markers well. And the biggest reason is it's toned. And this is the only toned paper I have right now, but with the marker selection, I thought this would be a good option. So I'm just letting you know what I'm using. All right, here we go. Okay, so this is where I ended up with my Palpatine sketch. All right, I'll just set him aside. Okay, now let's go ahead and run through these and how they were to use. Let's start with the Pentel Duel Metallic brush. What I like about this brush that I've not seen before on other brush pens is this button feature at the end. Now this kind of allows you to press onto that and dispense more paint to the tip. So that's great, and that's works really well actually. Now as far as being able to kind of control the tone, I think I remember something saying that you can kind of, okay, yeah, so this says color changes shade at different angles. For some reason I thought that meant like angle of the brush using it, but now that I'm thinking of it, like you can kind of see the color changes at different angles. So I think that's what was meant, and that is true. So this is everything it said it would be, and very enjoyable to use. So that was good, no issues. The Jelly Roll Pen, this ended up being probably the most useful in terms of layout, because this was a little bit of a challenging piece to just dive into with pens and markers without being able to kind of lay out or erase, you know, with with a pencil, so that was a bit challenging. So this was nice, and the color, it was really pretty, and no issues with it at all. So this was nice. The Uniball Metallic Pen, this was nice as well. This ended up being somehow a lighter shade than I expected it to be. It's pretty well what it looks like on this cap here. So no issues. That's very pretty color, nice highlight, and a lot of shine to this, which is nice. Then we get to these paint pens. These two were probably the best paint pens I think I have ever used. What I like about it, one, is that the pen is ready to go when you take off the cap, provided you shake it, of course, first. But there's no like priming the tip, you know, pumping it down on the paper several times to get the paint to flow. And it was not kind of streaky. The last paint pen I used almost had like a dry streakiness to it, and these didn't. These were very much like brush pens or markers. Both of these performed very well. I'm impressed. You know, when I saw that there were paint pens in here, I wasn't sure because I'm not always a paint pen person. But these are great. So all in all of these I enjoy, and all of these I would purchase again. So home run Art Snacks. This was a great box. I am excited about all of these, and I would recommend all of these if you are interested in creating some artwork with some fun pens that can go on a light or dark paper. This especially was super fun. This I would recommend giving this a try. This is fun. I wonder if they have different colors, because I would be interested in getting more colors. They're just so fun. All right, guys. Well, I think that's it for today. I appreciate you guys joining me. Thank you so much. Good day you will have.